Introducing ShortCam Lite, the infrared PCB fault diagnostic instrument with thermal imaging that features a breathtaking rocket-inspired design. Experience unparalleled versatility with the foldable design and precise focusing. Rapidly locate even the most minuscule leaks with unmatched accuracy. Enhance inspection precision and efficiency by magnifying intricate details. Benefit from wireless connectivity that seamlessly integrates with multiple operating systems. Expand its versatility with a detachable lens, perfect for pairing with a microscope. Harness the power of launch infrared technology for faster and easier repairs than ever before.